welcome to my channel, Great Education. Today's topic is how to add numbers using a vertical algorithm. Vertical algorithms are a great way of adding numbers. It's a quick and simple strategy which will work with any number you want. So, our first sum is 24 plus 75. So you write it out like this. 24 plus 75. Okay, now the next step is very simple. You always start off with the right hand side. So with this hand. So, what is 4 plus 5? 4 plus 5 equals 9. So you put it straight down. The ones column stays the ones column. Second, what is 2 plus 7? That is also 9. 2 plus 7 equals 9. That's our answer. 24 plus 75 equals 99. Pretty simple, right? Feel free to pause the video anytime you want. Next question. 463 plus 132. You write it out the same, all in line. 463 plus 132. See how they're all in line with each other? You can't have numbers out of the line because it's going to mess up your whole algorithm. Let's go. 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 4 plus 1 equals 5. There's your answer. 463 plus 132 equals to 595. Another sum. 86 plus 47. So you write out your vertical algorithm like this. 86 plus 47. So this would require some carrying. So 6 plus 7 equals to 13. You can't put down 2 digits over here because only 1 digit can go in one column. So you carry the 1 and you put down the 3. Okay, so now the 1 is over here, which would equal 1 plus 8 plus 4. 1 plus 8 equals 9. 9 plus 4 equals 13. So now we put down the 3 and bring the 1 to the next column. Now there's nothing over here, so 1 comes straight down, which would be 133. So the answer for 86 plus 47 equals 133. It's going to be very easy once you get it, so just calm down and just try to understand. It's very, very simple. I'll do another one for you. 745 plus 907. This would also require some carrying. So 5 plus 7 equals to 12. We put down the 2 and we carry the 1. 1 plus 4 equals 5, plus 0 is also 5. So that's pretty simple. We just put the 5 straight down. 7 plus 9 equals 16. So we have to carry again. We put down the 6 and we carry the 1. 1 goes straight down because there's no other number there. That's our answer. 745 plus 907 equals 1652. So as you can see, vertical algorithms are the best way to add. You can add any number you want. I hope you learned very well, and now you would be able to add any numbers you would like. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new from it, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video.